How to make money with passive income. This video will show you 5 surprising ways to make money with passive income that will help you to double your income. Let us get started. This is Wealth Secrets TV. Welcome to our channel. In this channel, we share our experience in the business world as an entrepreneur and being an investor. If you like our content, do like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will not miss anything. Is there anything that gives pleasure like making money on your bed? Many people wake up with an influx of cash creeping into their bank account. Do you want to be part of these people? If yes, then you need to understand passive income and how to make money from it. What is passive income? How much passive income can you earn? How can you make money with passive income? Find yourself a comfortable chair, sit, and follow me. What is passive income? Passive income is regular earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor. Passive income includes royalties from books, movies, or songs. It is also revenue that comes from real estate investments or business investments where you don't need to participate before getting paid actively. Some passive income ideas require an upfront investment and a lot of nurturing in the beginning. After some time and hard work, these income streams start to build and maintain themselves, bringing you consistent revenue without much effort. Some don't take any effort at all, such as investing in a business. Passive income can be an excellent supplementary source of funds for many people. It can prove to be an especially valuable lifeline during a recession or tough times, such as this pandemic period. Passive income can keep some money flowing when you lose a job or otherwise experience some financial. And it has long been a way entrepreneurs make use of to create time and free of daily duties and responsibilities from the potential to generate healthy monthly revenues. How much passive income can you earn? If you had listened to a person making money from passive income before, you would think it's as easy as said. Or, as you are reading now, I am sure you already have the impression that you can write an e-book, make movies or start a blog, and within a month, you are already a millionaire. I'm sorry to disappoint you. It doesn't usually work that way. Receiving credit alerts on the bed is not a short-term strategy. Some people make a great living from one form of passive income, but I will advise you to have small amounts from a few different sources. Please choose some things that you're interested in and try them out. Try to select a few that do require some work as an e-commerce site, and some don't, like buying dividend-yielding stocks. Put some effort into this work. We all know how much bloggers make, but we don't know how much time and effort went into that blog before it was able to break even, never mind making money. You can create a passive income stream using these methods: dividends paying stocks, high-yield savings accounts, affiliate marketing, real estate investment trusts, and e-commerce. Check out these 5 strategies and learn what it takes to be successful with them. Dividend paying stocks. One of the tested and trusted ways to earn passive income is dividend and paying stocks. A dividend is a distribution of a portion of a company's profits. When you own stock in a company either directly or through a fund, you may receive dividends. This is an opportunity used by the company to reward shareholder loyalty, and it can be issued as cash payments, like shares of stock or other properties. The amount you receive depends on how much capital you own and how much profit there was to divide. Do research to find good stocks and invest a significant amount of money in receiving extensive dividend checks. However, if you consistently invest money into dividend stocks, you can amass a nice residual income over time. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts plus money market funds are essential to place to put your money in if you want to sit and watch your money work for you. A high-yield savings account is located at banks, and are FDIC insured. Interest rates have been rising, so putting more money into a savings account can generate a safe passive income stream. Going with an online bank will be the best idea since it offers the highest rates, and it can quickly transfer your money between your primary and the online banks. Online rates can often be 10 times higher or more than what your local bank may offer. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, an act of partnering with a company of repute to receive a commission on a product. This works best for those with blogs and websites as they stand a chance to generate more income. They will include a link to the product on their site or social media account. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase from the third-party affiliate, the site owner earns a commission. Amazon is a famous affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is assumed to be passive because, in theory, you earn by adding a link to your site or account. In reality, you might not earn a cent if you can't attract readers to your site to click on the link. Find a way to build traffic by creating meaningful content, and then you are good to earn. Rights. A real estate investment trust is a company that owns and manages real estate. They pay little or no corporate income tax because they have a unique legal structure. When you own stock in their company, you as the owner get to benefit from the gains, refinances, sale, income, or loss. It is a way to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a property owner. The risk aspect of this is that they are not protected from tough economic times. If they don't generate enough income, they might have to cut their dividend, and your income may get hit. E-commerce. This is one popular strategy for passive income. E-commerce has made it easier than ever to make money selling things online. Selling stuff online is a great way to make extra money, whether you sell something you manufacture or resell items you buy. If you are struggling to be financially free and want to have your financial freedom, try something different and smart. Try those methods mentioned, and we're sure it will increase your financial level. I hope you like this video. Click on the like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Let us know if you like or dislike it in the comment below, and we will be glad to hear your feedback.